And then next up, we're going to be going over using IBC for making the car purchase. Again, same exact thing, buying a $30,000 car. Instead, we're going option 3, using a policy loan from an IBC style whole life policy. So what does that process look like? So I'm going to borrow $30,000 against my cash value. And just a side note there, you need to make sure you have enough cash value in your policy to even do this. So the $30,000 example, I mean, you're gonna have to have at least like $40,000, $50,000, if not more, in your policy to have $30,000 available to borrow against. So that's really important to keep in mind. Next up though, the policy continues to earn uninterrupted compounding when I take that $30,000 loan against it. Really powerful. And in this example, we're going to make the same repayment as the bank. So $580.54 a month for 5 years. And after after 30 years, the $30,000 left uninterrupted, earning 4% in my policy would grow to $97,307. So that's assuming too, I'm not adding any new premium to my policy. And that's not factoring in reinvesting dividends in my policy either. I wanted to try to keep it apples to apples as much as possible. So really the amount of money you have in your policy is going to be significantly more than this $97,000, but that's just showing the recapturing of that interest in your policy if you had your policy to finance versus paying cash or getting a bank loan. And then the next point here is all while you still drove the car. So the power of this is you just successfully paid that car in cash. You had the money in your policy continuing to earn interest and dividends and grow. And then at the end of the day, after you repaid that loan, you have a policy cash value that appreciated. And now you have that car that you own outright because you paid it in cash through the policy loan in the beginning. So that's where it's really, really powerful. If you use IBC the right way, is you're gonna have this guaranteed asset that grows over time, and then you also use that as a financing tool to acquire something like a car. So it's really powerful.